in 3/4 time.
Weather alert. Weather alert.
Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Lawrence County and central Georgia, southwestern Rutland County and east central Georgia, northeastern Wheeler County and central Georgia, northwestern Montgomery County and central Georgia until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Ailey or near Mount Vernon, moving northwest at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Glenwood, Haley, Lothair, Landsburg, Cedar Grove, Fallon, Rockledge, Lowry, Barnhill, and Winter. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.